What's going on, YouTube? It's Lester the Collector. Today we're going to be opening up this CarPlay multimedia player that you've been seeing all over TikTok, Amazon, eBay, anywhere. You can find these basically on any of those shops. I've been seeing them around, so I wanted to get one. I do have a car that does not have CarPlay built in, and I didn't want to go through the whole stereo thing. I've done it before, but just the ease and the hassle you have to go through just to make sure you have CarPlay and install it. It is time consuming and it does take a little while. So for now, I think this is just a temporary fix for me, but this could be possibly a more long-term solution. So we're gonna open this up and install it in this video so that you guys can see exactly how it works and how easy it is to set it up in your car. First thing you got is your charger right here, your charger, and then you got this video cord. So I did actually open this up to take a peek, and I installed a MagSafe on the back of it, but I wanted to let you guys see what is exactly inside of the box. So I want to open it up with you guys here too. So we got this little stand right here, this thing that you put the stand on, and then you have your aux cord right there, and then that's it. And you have the actual screen itself. So this is the screen itself right here. It's actually bigger than I thought. In the pictures it looks like it's like at least half this screen, but it was 7-inch screen, so it does make sense that it's this big. But yeah, this is the screen right here. I can bring it closer to you guys, show you guys how it looks. It has a little screen protector you can take off, and then this is the MagSafe that I put on the back so that I can just connect it straight to MagSafe instead of using this connection that they have built in, which actually goes straight into here. It's a piece that you just connect. So that is the unboxing. This is what you get. Very to the point, very straightforward. What I do like about this kind of setup is that it is very easy to do, and all you have to do is have the cigarette lighter. For this setup is a cigarette lighter, which just makes this very easily accessible to anybody that's trying to add CarPlay and not use their phone while they're driving. So you have the maps option, basically just a GPS, like back in the day when people used to have their GPS on their car. So that's basically what this is. You're setting it up in your car and using it whenever you need it for maps, whatever the case is. So bringing that easy access is just great. What I really like about this setup though is the price. It's very affordable. 37 bucks for this setup right here. If you want to install this all in your system, you know, you gotta get an actual, you know, head unit that fits your car. That'll probably be around $250 at the lowest, and then trying to hook it up if you don't know how to do it yourself, wiring, all of that, it is a learning curve. And if you need to pay somebody, now you're hitting around 500, 600. Some people pay Best Buy to do it. So I have experience doing it, but I wanted to go this route just to just avoid all of that for now, and maybe later I'll get into the head unit that I had on my old car. But let's get into it. We're gonna head over to the car and check out how you hook it up and what it looks like in the car. So here we are in the car. I do want to point out real quick that I did purchase this on my own. This is not promoted. This is not a promotional video promoting this product. This is literally just me, somebody, random person, just buying this product and testing it out and seeing how useful it is. And if I don't like it, I will return it. Right now, we're in a Highlander. Let me just show you guys how I'm going to set everything up real quick. So I purchased this right here off Amazon. This is just a little dual cigarette port lighter. I plugged it in right here, and then as I stated before, I did install this MagSafe on the back because I do have MagSafe on my phone. So just to make it easy, I didn't want to be taking it off and have to worry about MagSafe, because it could take up a lot of here on the dash right here. If you see, like, I didn't want all this space to be taken up by so many screens. So I'd rather have my phone here, or if I don't want my phone, I can just put this CarPlay right here. So this, all right, so don't mind bachata playing in the back, but so it connects straight to my head unit that's already installed in my car. So that's the dope thing. And basically it's just a player. One thing though that I'm gonna say that is a downfall of this kind of setup is the fact that, you know, you have so many screens, especially if you already have a screen here and you have this screen popping up here. This may not be the type of setup you like. And for those that are worried about how much it blocks your view, it doesn't block my view much at all. So that's just thing to think about too. It doesn't really block my view at all. When I'm driving, I'm not, you know, it's not even in my way, as you see right there. It's just to the side right here. But it is a lot of screens, so this kind of setup does, you know, have its limitations. And you know, it's a $40 setup, $37. You know, what can you really expect? Plug and play, and that's what it is. Just plug it in, and it's ready to go. You don't really have to worry about nothing else. Installing a new system here could take up a lot of time, and eventually it might be what I end up doing. But for now, this is a great solution. And I would even say that this kind of setup is more than what you pay for, in the sense of you're getting CarPlay. You know, you could be going on a route that is 10 times more expensive, $300, and you're getting the full experience minus the stock, you know, feeling of it being in your car. Besides that, though, it is a great head unit that, for me, you know, I can snap it off if you're worried about somebody taking it or seeing it in your car easily. That's why I put the MagSafe. I can just snap it off and put it back on when I want or when I enter the car. And as you see right there, the top corner, you can just click it, boom. You can even install a backup camera onto here, but I already have it on the car, so I don't need to. But yeah, so that's how it looks. And you know, got CarPlay in the car. Can you be wet? Oh man, I want to get copyrighted, but yeah, you know, bumping that Hovey right there, Tory Deshawn. You already know the vibes. You already know. Tory Deshawn, Hovey, two very amazing Christian artists. Shout out to them. All right, so I'm gonna clean this up a bit, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you what I ended up going with. So, all right, so this is, I cleaned it up a little bit. Just got that wire, you know, hanging right there. It's not really in the way of nothing, so it's not a big deal. But that's how it looks. Back up real quick and take a look at how it is when you're driving. All right, so I'm gonna back up. Boom. So yeah, so it is pretty out of the way. I don't feel like it's not actually. It's not getting in the way of nothing visibility wise. So that's a really good thing. Let's just move over here. So yeah, that's how the CarPlay looks. Very simple, very easy to set up. And it just gets the job done. All right, so you guys saw the test drive of this, using it a bit. I hope this video was helpful for somebody that's considering purchasing this. And I'm gonna say, look, if you don't have CarPlay in your car, you're not too savvy when it comes to wiring, and you don't want to mess with the car a bit. And if you kind of like weary on how good this kind of alternative is quality wise, this video is just to assure you, yes, this product does work. It is great when it comes to just the actual functionality of it. It might not be the most convenient, it might not look the prettiest, but it gets the job done. So that is really what I wanted to say in this review of this product. It gets the job done. That's basically the best thing I can say about it. It's probably going to be the title of the video. CarPlay that you find on TikTok, whatever the case is, it gets the job done. It's plug and play, put it into your car, and just enjoy listening to music. So on this setup specifically, it's a Highlander. It has a bunch of screens already, so that's why I was weary on getting it. But after testing this product and seeing how it works, I think it's something that I definitely will be using for the next couple months until I figure out what I'm gonna do with the actual head unit. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was insightful on this product and you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some other content that I made. It has been a little while, but thank you guys for tuning in. It's Lester the Collector. Take care. God bless. And we out.